PolyLite ABS is a very durable material, featuring high impact resistance with high heat resistance. PolyLite ABS has a softening temperature just over 100 degrees, which allows printed parts to function in more demanding environments. PolyLite ABS is a good choice for mechanical parts, robotics, functional prototypes, or home appliance spare parts. PolyLite ABS is made with a specialty bulk polymerized ABS resin, which has a significantly lower volatile content compared to traditional ABS resins. PolyLite ABS delivers excellent printing quality with minimal odor during printing. However, printing larger parts in ABS will require an enclosed printing chamber.